Okay, it's May 24th, 2025. It's Saturday, and these unmoving, undrifting chemtrails are still going on, very much so. In Arizona, I see the planes all over. I still see all those lines. I still see the glare. I can't even look at what we once had sun, what that's called. And we know about solar simulators and laser telescopes. And this is not natural. Look at these streaks and patterns, hard edges, and then some sweeping patterns coming here, and then just haze, nano haze. And this is not Florida. This is Arizona, home of the glaring sun and the lined sky. This one is particularly, I'm closing one eye actually here, covering my eye. So they have those new surveillance systems that send a blue beam counterclockwise pulse. And that's about it for today. And they measure your iris so they can see who's a robot and who's not. So you get this ultraviolet, blue, purplish dotted beam pulsing counterclockwise in these new surveillance systems. And they are bouncing off of anything shiny, glass, mirror, metal, reverbs like tin foil in a microwave oven. So they know not to do that. You don't put metal in a microwave oven. But that's what Wi-Fi is, so that's wireless fields. So it's early in the morning, and thank you. And another glimpse here. Okay, panning out, let's see how to do that, there we go.